Now, children, today we are going to start with Unit 2, that is Nature and Science. So, let's start with chapter number 6, Our Wonderful World. So, in the picture below, there are some living and some non-living things. For living thing, you have to mark L, and non-living, you have to mark. So, let's start with the chapter now. This is living thing, this is non-living. Right? If we talk about dog, living thing, cycle, non-living, this is non-living, this is non-living, non-living, living, this is living, non-living, living, this is also living, ball is non-living, and grass is also non-living, flower is living. Right? These are some things that we see here. Those are living and non-living. Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 7, that is tree around us. So read the facts and identify the trees. Choose the name from the helpers. The fruits of dash tree is green and yellow in color. Monkeys and elephant love to eat. Banana. The leaves of dash tree are broad. Some people worship this tree. That is people. The fruits of the dash tree is purple in color. The crocodile wife found this fruit very sweet. That is jam. Fourth one is the fruit of dash tree is green in color. We drink the cool sweet water inside it. That is coconut. The fruit of the tree is bitter. The leaves are used for medicinal purposes. The fruit of the dash tree is very sweet. It is called king of fruit. That is mango. Yeah. We call it mango. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 8. This is medicinal plants and herbs. So nature has given us wonderful gift in a form of plant. देखो हमें बहुत सारे plants मिले हैं. Different plants provide us different things. Right? So the prehistoric men took a shelter on tree and ate only the plants. तो पहले जो prehistorical man होते थे वो trees वगैरह पे रहते थे, खाली fruits खाते थे, vegetables खाते थे और flesh on some small animals. Apart from fruits, medicinal plants gives us raw material for many industries, wood for making furniture, and many medicines and essential oil, which are only remedy for many illnesses. Right? So here some plants is given to you. I will describe them and I will also give the remedies that they are used for. First is turmeric. So if we talk about turmeric, a medicinal herb है, right? इसके पास special antibiotic healing और antiseptic properties होती है, right? Effective pain reliever, pain में relief दिलवाता है आपको और ये आपका जो कैंसर होता है उसको भी क्योर करता है. Then if we talk about eucalyptus, it is a form of oil. ये किस पे यूज़ करा जाता है? Used in form of oil, जैसे leaves में या wood में यूज़ करा जाता है. ये एक तरीके का एंटीसेप्टिक भी है और इंसेक्ट रेपेलेंटेंट भी है. इट रिसीव द कोल्ड एंड निमोनिया. नेम इट्स वुड बार्क एंड लीव्स एंड फ्रूट्स ऑल आर यूज्ड फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पसेस. इसको हम ऐसा एंटीसेप्टिक भी यूज करते हैं, सोप्स भी बनाते हैं इससे. इफ यू हैव एनी स्किन प्रॉब्लम देन वी ऑल्सो यूज नेम. तुलसी, अ पॉइजनस प्लांट वर्शिप्ड बाय हिंदूज, हैज ग्रेट मेडिसिनल वैल्यू. कि रिलीज देता है फ्रॉम कफ एंड कोल्ड. कफ से कोल्ड से दोनों से क्या करता है? रिलीफ देता है. राइट? नेक्स्ट इज योर एलोवेरा. इट कंटेन्स 20 मिनरल्स जो क्या होते हैं ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए एसेंशियल होते हैं. इट इज़ यूज फॉर स्किन डिजीज एंड डायबिटीज एंड वेयर इट इज़ यूज इन कॉस्मेटिक्स. सिनेमन आपने देखा होगा, इसको हम नेचुरल माउथ फ्रेशनर भी बोलते हैं. इट इज कैलमिनेटेड माउथ फ्रेशनर. देन क्लोव्स, दे आर ड्राइड बर्ड्स ऑफ लार्ज एवरग्रीन की. इसका हम जो ऑयल होता है क्लॉव ऑयल, उसको हम टूथ एक होता है, जब हमारे दांत में दर्द होता है उसमें भी हम इसका यूज करते हैं. चिंचोना, बार्क ऑफ ट्री विच इज यूज टू मेक क्यूनाइन. राइट, ये इसका हम यूज मलेरिया, फीवर और पेन में करते हैं. सेफ्रॉन ये किस में अवेलेबल होता है? कश्मीर में, येलो स्टिग्मा ऑफ प्लांट. इसका हम यूज करते हैं एज अ फ्लेवर, एज एन एडिबल डाई इन स्वीट्स. राइट. ब्लैक पेपर, flower of plant widely used as spice and it is used to control cough. जो कफ होता है ना उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए हम इसका यूज करते हैं. राइट. नाउ chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 9, photosynthesis. So look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Take the help of the helpers. So you can see their plants with the help of sunlight, air, water. What they make food. Right? Photosynthesis is the process by which plant use dash from the sun. What does the plant use from the sun? Light. Now photosynthesis is the process where plant use light from the sun to convert carbon dioxide air and sugar from the soil into water to feed plants, and oxygen is given out in the air. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 10, the animals world. So here are some animals from around the world. You have to match them with a description. Right, like I have quills back. I carry my home on back. My name rhymes with pain. That is a snail. I eat nuts, seeds and fruits and hide my food in different places. Squirrel. I am very thick skin and horn. That is rhinoceros. I am small rat-like creature. Goes to long winter. That is your dormouse. What we call it? Dormouse. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 11, that is creepy insect. So look at the insect below, and some of them fly and some of them crow. Put their names under the respective column. You have to write the name in a form like whichever is flyer and whichever is crawl. Caterpillar also crawls. मॉस्किटो फ्लाई भी करता है, फ्लायर है. आंट, चींटी भी करती है. स्नेल भी क्या करता है? क्रॉल करता है. Earthworm also crawls. Dragonfly, it's flyer, ये flyer है. Webs also fly, butterfly also fly. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 12, strange, exceptional but true. All mammals live on land except whale. सारे mammals कहाँ रहते हैं? लैंड पे रहते हैं except whale. whale कहाँ रहती है? वाटर में. बैट भी मैमल है बट इट कैन फ्लाई इन द एयर. ऑस्ट्रिच सबसे बिगेस्ट बर्ड है पर ये फ्लाइटलेस है, ये फ्लाई नहीं कर सकती. फर्स्ट एनिमल जो आपका स्पेस पे रहता है दैट इज बिट्स, जिसका नाम था लाइका. टर्टल जो है दे ऑल्सो हैव नो टीथ, ओनली 1 out of 1000 बेबी टर्टल सर्वाइव आफ्टर हैचिंग. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट प्लैटिपस, ओनली मैमल जो एग ले करता है. स्नेक्स जो होते हैं वो अपने टंग से स्मेल करते हैं, नॉट विद देयर नोजेस. रेप्टाइल्स के पास क्या है? दे हैव शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पेन बट सम रेप्टाइल्स लिव मोर देन एनी अदर एनिमल. टॉर्टॉइज और टर्टल जो है वो मोर देन 100 years रहते हैं. और पेंगुइन जो है दे आर नॉट अ फ्लाइंग बर्ड बट वेरी गुड स्विम्स. राइट नाउ let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 13, categories of animals. So all living beings move. जितने भी लिविंग बींग्स है सब मूव करते हैं. वी कॉल इट एनिमल्स. एनिमल्स कैन बी लैंड एनिमल, बर्ड्स हो सकते हैं, इंसेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, आपके रेप्टाइल सी एनिमल्स हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज मैमल्स. एनिमल्स बेबीज दोज हु फीड ऑन देयर मदर्स मिल्क, उनको मैमल्स कहते हैं. लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग, काउ, डॉग, मंकी, लायन, जिराफ. ये किस कैटेगरी में आते हैं? मैमल्स की कैटेगरी. बर्ड्स जिनके फेदर्स होते हैं जो फ्लाई करते हैं. इंसेक्ट जिनके 6 लेग्स होते हैं. रेप्टाइल्स जो क्रॉल करते हैं ऑन द ग्राउंड, रिंग पे क्रॉल करना, रिंग्स. एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स जो वाटर में और नियर द वाटर रहते हैं. कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल हुज बॉडी टेम्परेचर चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द सराउंडिंग. हॉट ब्लडेड एनिमल whose body temperature does not change according to the temperature of surround. Right? There are about 45 types of mammal, 4500 types of mammal, 9000 types of क्या है आपकी birds. Right? Let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 14, movements. So let's study about the movements of some animals. Duck की आपको यहाँ पे दी हुई है. Then we have bird. Bird क्या करती है? Flies. Frog, hoops, fish, swims, monkey, climbs, lion, snake crawl करता है, lion crawls, eagle swoops, हॉर्स गैलॉप्स, और आपके जो पिकॉक है वो क्या करती है? स्ट्रट करती है. राइट नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 50. सो दिस इज लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ फ्रॉग. जो लाइफ साइकिल होती है, जो फ्रॉग ग्रो करता है, चेंजेस इनटू अदर इज कॉल्ड मेटामॉर्फोसिस. सो फीमेल एग जो होती है वो एग ले करती है, टैडपोल हैच करता है एग को, और इट टेक्स फ्रॉम 1 or 3 weeks फॉर द एग टू हैच. फिर वो टैडपोल में चेंज होता है, उसकी टेल होती है बट नो लेग्स. इट लिव्स इन वाटर, ब्रीथ विद इटसेल्फ. फिर थर्ड क्या होता है? वो फ्रॉगलेट हो जाता है. फिर टैडपोल ग्रो करता है इनटू फ्रॉगलेट. टैडपोल किस में ग्रो करता है? इनटू फ्रॉगलेट. अ फ्रॉगलेट हैज लेग्स फॉर पॉपिंग. इट ब्रीथ्स विद लंग्स. और किससे ब्रीथ करता है? लंग. नाउ फ्रॉग, a froglet grows into an adult frog. An adult frog has no tail. A new life cycle begins when a female frog ले है. नई लाइफ साइकिल शुरू हो जाती है जब आपका जो फीमेल फ्रॉग है वो क्या करता है? एग लेकर. राइट, दिस इज द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ फ्रॉग. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? मेटामॉर्फोसिस. राइट नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द chapter number 16, national park. So as on November 20, 2023, India has 106 national park, 567 wildlife sanctuary, 18 biosphere. Each one is special because of its unique features, and list of national park in India shows that these parks are like safe homes for rare and endangered animals. People can visit these parks to see and enjoy amazing natural beauty of India. All the national park and biosphere river provide protection to wildlife, animal, birds and plants. They saved many wild animals and birds from becoming extinct. Protection of wildlife is also important to maintain ecological balance and food chain. So some of the very popular national park and biosphere reserve has been given here. So first is जिम कॉर्बेट जो आपका रामनगर उत्तराखंड में है. ये पहला नेशनल पार्क है. यहाँ पे टाइगर की पॉपुलेशन देखने को मिलता है. प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर भी यहीं से लॉन्च हुआ था इन 1970. गिर नेशनल पार्क गुजरात. पेरियार जो है वो केरला में है. ये एलिफेंट पॉपुलेशन के लिए जाना जाता है. यहाँ पे आपको फ्लाइंग लिजर्ड, फ्लाइंग स्नेक देखने को मिलता है. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क जो आपका ब्रह्मपुत्र असम में है. यहाँ पे आपके वन हॉर्न डायनासोर है और होम है मैनी माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स थे. Then we have Bandhavgarh Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh, famous for tiger leopards. रणथंबोर नेशनल पार्क राजस्थान, ठीक है, टाइगर्स के लिए जाना जाता. घाना बर्ड सेंचुरी भरतपुर राजस्थान, फ्रॉम बर्ड पैराडाइज भी जाते हैं, ठीक है. देन वी हैव दाचीगम सेंचुरी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. सुंदरबन वेस्ट बंगाल, ये फेमस बर्ड रिजर्व है. सिमलीपाल उड़ीसा. केबुल लामजो एंड आइलैंड नियर लोकटक लेक मणिपुर, ये होम है किसका? सैंगिन डेंजर ब्राउन डियर, राइट. Now, let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 17, Under the Sea. Look at these animals, sea animal, and write the correct name. This is blue tang. What we call it? Blue tang. This is dolphin. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 18. Strange creatures. Identifies the strange creatures. ये कुछ strange creatures are. Let's identify them and write their names. This is maned wolf. What we call it? Maned wolf. Right? Second one is I. It is I. This is Gernuk. This is pink. Fairy. Armadillo. Right? Next is fifth one. Star-nosed mole. This is lamprey. And seventh one is dugong. Now move to the next chapter. Chapter number 19, Animal Facts. Choose the correct word from the help box and write it in the space provided to know how amazing facts about animals. So first is hippopotamus can stay in water for. Next is the largest land mammal weighing more than 6 cars together is the elephant. A camel with 2 humps is called a. That is ponies. Gorillas are strictly Zebras are jokingly called pajamas. Sorry, this one is जो camel है जिसका ये बैक्टीरियन होता है. क्या होते हैं? बैक्टीरियल. The only snake that builds a nest, that is king cobra. The cheetah can run at the speed of monkeys can be distinguished from apes by their tails. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 20, big cats. Wild cats are the group of carnivorous animals that have short furred body. Acute vision होता है, right? First one is leopard. Second one is lion. Third one is cheetah. Fourth one is jaguar. Jaguars, right? What are these? These are some wild cats. So let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 21, animals diet. I have a long neck. I eat grass, fruits, leaves and twigs. I am giraffe. I hibernate in winter. I eat berries. Shoots, fruits, nuts, seeds, roots and bulbs from trees. Sometimes I eat bees and fish, but honey is my. जो honey है वो मेरा favorite food है, that is beer. I am a king of jungle. I eat large animals like deer, zebra, buffalo. I am lion. I live in Antarctica. I eat krill, squids and fish, that is penguin. I have a strong curved beak. I eat seeds, green chili and fruits. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 22, special quality of animals. So let's study about some special qualities of these animals. Fox is known for hard work, dog for faithfulness. If we talk about cat for healiness, lion for boldness. Next is camel for patience, elephant for gentleness, kangaroo for care, fox for horse for power, crow for unity, owl for wisdom and cow for utility. They are the qualities of them. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 23, body effects. So first is the human body is made up of million of tiny cells. किसका बना है? Cells का बना है, tiny cells का. Our body consists of 55 to 75% of Our body has lots of metals and minerals, some of which are dash and dash, iron and calcium. Our body has several systems that work together and helps our third Blood vessels and bloods are part of our dash system, which moves blood through our body. कौन से सिस्टम का पार्ट है हमारे? सर्कुलेटरी. Our salivary gland, esophagus. Our salivary gland, esophagus, stomach, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, ये सब किसका पार्ट है? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. Our dash is wonderful too. It cells our heartbeat and our eyes to blink. So here it is brain. But horizon. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 24, science invention. So let's study about science invention now. First is a machine that can store all kinds of data and can do accurate calculation is compute. A phone that can be used for talking to anyone, anytime, anywhere. It is mobile phone. Can send a copy of document anywhere across the world through a telephone line. That is fax machines. A machine that used to record videotapes is cameras. A machine that lets you see any movie of our choice on television set is DVD player. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 25. Invention of home appliances. John Legbeard invented a क्या ये टेलीविजन है. ड्राइव डॉक्टर पर्सी स्पेंसर इन्वेंटेड अ डैट टू अलाउ फूड टू बी कुक्ड क्विकली. दैट इज योर माइक्रोवेव. The electric power dash was invented by Alva J. Fisher in 1908. Furley Machine Company of Chicago. That is your washing machine. Fifth one is dash invented. थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन बल्ब इन्वेंट करा था. Willis Carrier developed the first dash in 1902, that is air conditioning. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 26, mind machine. Fill in the blanks and find more information about computer. This monitor is also known as LCD. The CD stores, क्या store? Dash takes place in CPU. Let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 27. Let's study about some science facts. Sun क्या है? It's a small star. यहाँ पे mass of hot glowing gases है. Its planet and satellites together make solar system. North pole is just ice. Sun is not visible on the north pole. A south pole, there is under a land, under ice. You could never dig throughout other side of the world. All planets revolve around the sun on its orbit. Orbit 9 is the orbit of Pluto. Titan is the moon of Saturn, right? And the whole Antarctica is ice. Vostok is a continent coldest place, and there are no permanent inhabitants there. Inside of the earth is very hot. Person cannot taste food unless it is mixed with saliva. You will not get any taste will you set anything off dry. Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number science, chapter number 28, science quiz. What is the normal temperature of human being? That is 98 Fahrenheit. मॉस्किटो की बाइट से कौन सा डिजीज कॉज होता है? मलेरिया. मैड डॉग से रैबीज. Which gas is required at high altitude? Oxygen. During thunderstorm, which come first, lightning or thunder? अगर thunderstorm होता है तो पहले क्या आता है? That is lightning. Which unit is used to measure? आपको यूनिट बताती है जिससे हम इंटेंसिटी ऑफ अर्थक्वेक मेजर करते हैं. दैट इज रिचर स्केल. Which instrument is used to detect the danger of the earthquake? That is seismograph. Who invented lighting system for blind? Louis Braille. In which instrument is used to check the movement of heart and lungs? That is stethoscope. Which gas is used by plants to make food? That is carbon dioxide. Now let's move to next chapter, that is chapter number 29. Let's wait. So there are some of the things that we see in our daily life. Gas, which of them are generally below 1 kilogram and circle them with red. और जो above हैं उनको आपको green से, जो ज़्यादा हैं उनको किससे करना है? Green से. Like this you can circle. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 30. On the screen. As soon as you open computer, you see number of icons. So identify the icons and program as shown here. First one is MS Excel. ये क्या है आपका? MS. Second one is Notepad. Third one is MS Word. This is my document. This is Internet Explorer. Paint. This is recycle bin. Recycle. This is PowerPoint. This is my computer. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 31. Light save. Man has added harmful substances to air, water and land. Making the environment dirty by adding harmful substances is called pollution. So look at the picture given below. Vehicle giving out smoke. Next is woman is burning. Wood sticks. Right. Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 32, day and night. So as the earth, it makes one complete round in every 24 hours whenever our part of the earth turns face the sun. Sun lights up, it gives us daytime. Whenever the earth turns away from the sun, sunlight can no longer reach us, it gets dark and giving us nighttime. Here is the picture of the earth. It appears. Draw a arrow on the picture to show which direction the sun is shining. आपको एरो बनाना और बताना है किस डायरेक्शन में साइन करना. इधर कौन सी डायरेक्शन होती है आपकी? वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, राइट. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 33. Check your GK. So a person who tells future based on star is astronomer, astrologer. A well-known person. A person who studies birds.
Wait. I guess the guy made me like that. Yeah, let us leave that.
Ornithology. One dozen. Twelve. Process by which plants make their own food is photosynthesis. Folk dance of Assam is Bihu. Wood of this tree is used to make cricket bats. Walrus.
Well,
below. Lord Buddha attained enlightenment under the people. Language of Kerala is Malayalam. Gol Gumbad is located in Bijapur. Right? Now this chapter is also completed. Now our unit 2 has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.